Hello students. So let's discuss this new question. A vector A of magnitude 8 units has two components. One is perpendicular to A and is of magnitude 6 units. What is the magnitude of other component? So in this question it is given to us that a vector which is named as A is having two components. One component is perpendicular to A. You might be wondering how a vector can have a component which is perpendicular to itself. So, components are the vectors which are added to give the given vector. If I have two vectors which is giving me a vector, resultant of these two vectors is suppose R, suppose A and B are two vectors which are giving me resultant is R, then the A and B which are giving me resultant R are called components of vector R. This A and B are components of vector R. This is how components can be defined. And we usually use orthogonal components which are perpendicular to themselves. We normally uses themselves. We normally uses components which are perpendicular to themselves. So that's why this question is different from the normal questions, normal understanding of our components. In this question, a vector A has two components, but these two components, vector A is having two components, but these two components are not orthogonal component. One component, let's assume it is P is of magnitude 6, and other component we need to determine. If magnitude is asked to us, what is the magnitude of the other component? So we need to find out the magnitude of other component. So by vector triangle, by vector law of addition, the addition of two vector should give me by parallelogram law of vector addition, it should be along the diagonal of the parallelogram. So I should get a vector A as resultant. So that's why it should be the diagonal of the parallelogram. If this is diagonal of the parallelogram, then the other vector should be like this. This should be the parallelogram and the resultant is A of this vector P and the vector, let us assume this is a Q. So we need to find out this vector Q, which is when added to P is giving me vector A. Now we can find out this magnitude by using the property that two vectors when are added, if their resultant is along this direction, then their resultant perpendicular to it should be 0. The perpendicular to resultant addition is 0. If two vectors are giving me resultant in this direction, then their resultant in perpendicular to its direction, perpendicular to this resultant should be 0. One is already perpendicular and one is at some angle. So let us assume this angle is theta and the magnitude of this vector is x. So its component in perpendicular direction, in this direction it should be x sin theta. Now this should be equal to this magnitude of P6. That's when these two components will give me in this direction resultant 0 and the resultant will be in this direction only, and that will become x cos theta, whose magnitude is already given to us in question. So I am getting an equation that x cos theta should equal to 8 and x sin theta should be equal to 6. How I have find out this equation? This is by the property that two vectors when are added, if the resultant is along a particular direction, then the resultant perpendicular to that should be 0. The component of Q and the component of P in perpendicular direction should be added to 0. So P is already in perpendicular direction and Q's component in perpendicular direction is x sin theta. This should be equal to P's resultant, P's magnitude, to make resultant in this direction to be 0, and x sin theta should be equal to 6, and the resultant of PQ will be in this direction, and in this direction P has no component and Q has a component of x cos theta. So x cos theta should be equal to 8. So by solving these two equations, we can get the magnitude of the other component, which is I have assumed to be x. So let's solve for x by these two equations. Let's use trigonometric identity, square and add this. So I will get x square as 8 square plus 6 square, which is nothing but 10 square. So x equal to 10. This should be the resultant. This should be the final answer. Thank you.